What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today I want to talk about 3 tools that I wish I would have bought sooner. So I don't want to waste any time. Number one is a laser level. I've been using this thing pretty much every week. Gets me through all kinds of projects, whether I'm doing tile, mounting curtain rods, even, on the ceiling. If you're putting in a ceiling fan or something, this is going to get you that precise location. So don't get a cheap laser level. I made that mistake and got one of the like $30 ones off of Amazon, and it was just a complete waste of money. I'm going to have a discount code for this below, 22% off. It's a limited time deal. So I'm going to have everything in the description, all the links, all the discount codes. I am affiliates through all of these different partners. So get yourself a good laser level, quit messing around. And I'm also going to have a link to the tripod that I got through Amazon as well. Also through Sigmund, a distance measurement tool. So think of this as a digital tape measure. So this I've done a separate video on as well, going over all the details of how it works and what it can do. But in short, I use this for if I'm going to be doing painting, painting an entire room, I can get the square footage. Or if I'm doing baseboards, I can shoot a laser line across, and it'll tell me exactly how much I need to cut. So I'm not running a clunky tape measure across the floor trying to figure that out. So this one is going to be an 18% off discount code. That is also going to be linked in the description. And like I said, these are limited time deals. So if you're in the market for that, also check that out in the description. Last but not least, get yourself a good circuit breaker finder kit. This one is by Coeitz. It comes as a kit. It's like all in one little package, and it's got the adapter for lights. It's got the plug right there. It's also got the prongs. So if you just have 2 wires, you can connect those 2 wires and plug it in to that adapter. It also gives you voltage, how much voltage is coming into a receptacle, and your circuit finder, your non-contact voltage tester. This thing is fantastic. I wish I would have had this when I first started. I tried saving money, like most people. You don't want to spend money when you're first starting, but you need good tools and you need them as kits, which is why I love these 3 products. So I'm going to have everything linked in the description. Like I said, I am an associate. It does help the channel, helps earn small commissions, but I really just can't say enough good things about these 3 products. I truly wish I would have, had them sooner to be more efficient and more productive. So anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.